One day, when you start up every day, today we're going to talk about RobStride. When people talk about the future of robotics, they usually mention companies like Tesla, Figure AI, or Unitree. But here's something interesting. None of these robots can move without critical components. Not about the AI, not about the battery, not about the software, but we are talking about the actuator. And here, RobStride is the Chinese startups. They want to become the company building the muscles behind the entire humanoid robotics. All right, so let's go. Let's go to say a presentation of RobStride. So RobStride doesn't build the robots himself. They build what we call the actuator. Okay, so as you can see here, you have the elbow shoulder actuator, elbow actuator, and you have the hip. You can see it. Can't show it on screen, but you get it. What's the problem? The problem is that building a humanoid is super hard. Making it move is even harder because yeah, your humanoid need to walk, need to run, need to sit, need to do things, and it's super hard. It's expensive, it's heavy, it's hard to integrate, and it's hard to scale. So especially in all your humanoid, you need actuator, shoulder, elbow, hip, knee, ankle. That's actually 30 to 40 actuator per humanoid. So it's a lot. Upstride build all-in-one actuator. So it's powerful, it goes for all of them, and it includes everything, a motor, a gearbox, an encoder, and a controller. So you have everything inside, and you don't need to have a special one for a special part. So this is great. This is how it works. Why it's different? Well, if you have all-in-one, you can scale the production. You can scale the actuator, so you can go much further than if you have one for each part. So it's all-in-one design, high performance, low cost because you just have one design. It's compact. It's not heavy, and it's built for volume, so you can engineer and mass production already from day one. So it's 30% lighter, up to 30% less cost. So this is how you can see actually something that but never people talk about. Um, you need to sell. What they do is that they don't sell the robots; they only sell the muscles. So they only sell. Actually, it's not really like the muscle; it's more like the articulation. Don't know exactly in English. So they design and manufacture, sell to the company. They build the robot, and for sure you have a massive market opportunity, and then it's affordable, reliable, easy to integrate, and designed to scale. And then thanks to this, actually you can put inside Tesla Optimus that you know and that you saw everywhere, agility robotics, sanctuary AI, all of this. So they don't build the robots, they build the muscles of the robots, they build the part of the robots that all the companies doing robots need. It's actually interesting. This is another angle of the business, which is really interesting to see. Actually, the humanoid revolution is just beginning. We saw more and more of robots, so that's why we see it more and more. They are moving from labs to real life. Not so much from now. We saw Neo and we saw this, not so much, but still the beginning. And there is key market drivers. You have now AI, so you can do things with your humanoid. You have less and less people which are doing the labor work. It costs less and less, so you can go into adoption in not so long. What are the competition? Well, the competition actually I don't know much of them. Moxon, Full Harmonic Drive, Team Motor. I don't know much of them. Uh, the big difference is that it's all-in-one integration. So it's just that one part is using, you can use it for all of the body. So this is actually what is really different from the others. So it's really interesting. Didn't know much about this. Just learn about it doing the video, doing the presentation. You can go into the website RobStride. As you can see, you have the components. It's in English, but you have it in Chinese, but you can have it in English too. And if you want to follow, you can have a Twitter and a Discord. So you can follow them and follow what's done. Actually, they're active. So you can follow them. Um, Really interesting. I didn't know much about this, but really, really, you can see a lot of things that are doing in China. This is Chinese company for here. So this is the presentation of a new startup in Asia, especially in China for this part. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon for a new presentation of a new startup. Until then, have fun. Take care. Ciao, ciao.